Maker! Welcome to Makesy Mythbusters, where we debunk today's most popular TikTok trends and let you know if it's a maker hack or if it's totally whack. Today's trend is using baking soda or salt to put out a candle fire. Roll the footage.
Option 2 is baking soda. Didn't have enough, but here's some more, but there you go. Baking soda or a pot and pan lid. Keep it safe, you guys.
Snuffing a flame is a perfectly acceptable way of putting out a candle fire. However, firefighters would warn against using salt or baking soda, as both compounds become highly unstable when exposed to the flame. As you can see here, salt or baking soda plus fire equals danger. I'm a scientist, not an artist. The best way to put out a candle fire is using a heat-retardant blanket or a fire extinguisher. Whatever you do, never put water on a candle fire. Water will cause the flame to grow bigger and it may even explode. The moral of the story here is always keep your fire extinguisher handy. This hack is totally whack.